Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel HTML with Adhya. In this video, we'll be beginning with a new topic in HTML, which is HTML list. So, in this video, we'll learn how to write things and bullet points or different kinds of list we want, right? So in HTML, we have two kinds of list. The first one is unordered list, and the second one is ordered list. So in unordered list, we have different kinds of bullet points. So if you want to write a list in like bullet points, then you can use unordered list. Okay, and if you want to write a list which has numbering and all of that, or Roman numerals or alphabets, then you will have to put it under the category of ordered HTML list. All right. So coming to the first one, which is unordered HTML list. So the unordered HTML list starts with the UL tag. In the UL tag, U stands for unordered and L stands for list. Okay, each list item starts with the li tag. That means, so as soon as I start the list, first I'm gonna put the ul tag, and then when I start writing my items, before each and every item I write li, and then after that I write the word, I end it with the li ending tag. Okay, so the list items will be marked with bullets, which are small back circles like this one by default. So this one is going to be default, but if you want another kind of it, then you'll have an attribute for that, so, which is the style attribute. And then you'll have to mention the type of bullet points you want. So one is disk, circle. Disk is the default one, and then there's circle, square, and none. In none, you will have like no bullet points. It's just going to be like a normal list without any bullet points and numbering. Alright, so let's see the examples for an ordered list and the different kinds of bullets we use for this list. So over here, I have my ordered HTML list. The normal list, which has the default kind of bullet, which is the disk one, is this one. So of course we start with UL, and then we have coffee, okay, which is something I'm going to write under my list. And before coffee we write li tag, and after coffee we end it. Okay, then again with tea we end it with we start and end it with the li tag. For milk as well, we started and ended with the li tag. Okay, so every item in this list is starting and ending with the li tag. All right, and then we end it, and as soon as the list ends, we end it with the ul tag. All right, now let's see how will we write a list when we have different kinds of bullet points. All right, so in this one we are using the disk, but I don't really think it's necessary because this is the default one. So even if you don't mention it under the style attribute, then it's already going to give it us. Okay, so ul style equals to list hyphen style hyphen type. That means list style type colon disk semicolon apostrophe close. Okay, and then again the same format will be followed, that we write li before and after every item in the list, and then we end the list with a ul tag, right? Also remember, as I mentioned in my third video of HTML attributes, we always write the attribute in the starting tag. We don't write it in the ending tag, because of course when it's necessary to specify the style when we are beginning something, right? At the end, HTML won't edit it. Also, we do not mention these attributes in the ending tag as well. Like you don't need to write it in two places. You just have to mention it in the starting tag. All right, and the ending tag will be normal. Now the second type is the square. So again, the style attribute and everything would be same as that. Instead of disk over here, you'll put square, and then you end the list. And then again, if you want to put none, that means you don't want anything, then you will put none. And for circle also, we will remove disk and we put circle. Everything would be same. Okay, so you just have to remember the attribute thing, which is style equals to apostrophe quotation mark, list hyphen style hyphen type colon disk semicolon quotation marks, and then close. All right, then we have the ordered list. The first let's study what ordered list is, and then we'll again come back to the editor. All right, so ordered HTML list starts with the ol tag. So o stands for ordered and l stands for list. Okay, and each list item starts with the li tag, which is the same as unordered HTML list. The list items will be marked by numbers with numbers by default. And if you want to edit the kind of numbers you want, whether if you want a Roman numeral or you want an alphabet, then we have an attribute for that. This is style attribute again. And the options for numbering are either numbers, which are default, uppercase and lowercase letters, and uppercase or lowercase Roman numerals. Alright, so let's see what do we have in this one. Here we are. So this is the normal ordered HTML list. Okay, wait, come here. Yes. So if it's normal, then you'll just like wait, there's no OL in the beginning, so let's yes. So you'll again write just OL. Instead of UL, you write OL and then LI tag and then the list, and then again you have your ending tag, just like a proper element. Okay, and then if you are actually editing it, like the bullet, the number that you're using, if you're editing that, then you will use the type attribute. Okay, so in this one it's completely simple. You don't need to do like this list style type. It's very easy. You just have to write tag OL type equals to quotation marks, and between the quotation marks you'll have to write the kind of type you want. So if you want 1, by 1 I mean you're using this kind of thing, which is the numbers. If you want alphabets, uppercase alphabet, then you'll write A in uppercase, so you'll get this. If you want lowercase alphabets, then you will write lowercase a, which will give you this. And if you want a Roman numeral, then you can write I, capital I, then you'll get this. And if you want lowercase Roman numeral, then you will write I in lowercase. Alright, now let's see what do we have next. So now we have HTML description list. So if you want anything in your list which has a description as well, so you have your name and then a description, then description list is very helpful. So we have DL element, which defines the description list, and we have DT element to define the description term. So description list and then description term, and then DD element to describe the term in a description list. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So over here I have my DL, which is description list. Okay, and then DT, which is the term, and then my DD, which is a description for my term. So it's black hot drink. Okay, DT again, which is milk, and then description white cold drink, and then DL ending. So that's how I will get my result, like this: coffee, black hot drink, milk, a white cold drink. So it's very necessary. If you, let's suppose I'm making a menu and then you write a dish that okay, this is this pasta or something, and then you can write how it's made or what it is. Basically, if there's a new person who doesn't really know the Italian cuisine, then you can actually help that person understand it, right? So yes, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really understood what we discussed, and HTML list is not a complicated topic in HTML. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to like this video, share it with everyone, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do write in the comment section about what you liked of this video and what video you will like next. And if you have any doubts, also write that and I'll try to solve them in the next video. And yes, I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.